Assalamu alaikum. Here is Darshan Dhirani. Today we are going to conduct here the rapid fire sessions. I am going to conduct this one session with my students. Are you ready, my students?
Yes, sir.
That's good, man. Okay, Bravo, right now tell me about that. More words about the cane. Why we are using the cane?
Can is a modal verb in present time used for.
That's good. Cane is a modal verb which is used in the present time. Come on, tell me which is the particular action we are using the cane.
Permission.
Permission. Come on, tell me anyone sentence asking the permission. क्या मैं तुम्हारी पेन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ?
Can I borrow your pen?
That's good. Can I borrow your pen? Very good. Okay, now next sentence. Anyone about the permission? क्या मैं तुम्हारे साथ बैठ सकता हूँ?
Can I sit here?
Can I sit here? क्या मैं यहाँ पे बैठ सकता हूँ? That's great, Narsing. Come on, are you ready, Chaitra?
Yes, sir.
Come on, tell me why we are using the cane.
Can uses for ability.
Cane uses for the ability. Ability
Yes.
means क्षमता. आपकी काबिलियत.
Yes, sir.
Come on, tell me. क्या आप अंग्रेजी में बात कर सकते हैं?
I can speak English.
That's good. I can speak English. मुझे ये बताएं, क्या वो पियानो बजा सकती है?
She can play piano.
She can play piano. That's great. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me? Can uses for the ability, permission, and can uses for the
Possibility.
possibility. Can come on, tell me a sentence about दोपहर को गर्मी बढ़ सकती है.
Can be hot afternoon.
रात का शाम को मेहमान आ सकते हैं.
Guest can come in the evening.
That's great. Can you tell me what is the past uses of the cane?
Could.
Good uses for the past instead of the cane. Can you tell me what is the particular uses? Good. Adesh, can you tell me
Yes, sir.
what is the particular sentence about the past ability? Well, Karthik, can you tell me about the good uses for the particular actions for the past ability? जब मैं छोटा था तो अच्छी ड्राइंग कर सकता था.
I could draw well when I was young.
That's great. Can you tell me anyone polite request or permission sentence?
Could you explain that again?
Excellent. Could you explain that again? Okay. Can you tell me anyone uncertainly actions?
We could arrive before left the train.
Okay, come on. Tell me about the may. Uses of the may. May is the modal verb. Why we are using the may? And in which time we are using the may? Sumit.
So may is the modal verb and it is used in the present time.
That's great. It uses in the present time. Can you tell me about any in particular actions?
Yes, sir.
Come on, tell me any
May I go
particular
to
actions.
restroom?
Yes. Can you tell me about the any formal permission?
Yes.
Come on, anyone express your sentence.
May I ask a question?
They ask the question. That's great. Another sentence about
Yes, I know about probability and likelihood. Like this,
probability and likelihood. Come on, tell me anyone sentence about the probability.
it may rain today.
It may rain today. That's great. बारिश आज बरस सकती है. That's good. It's a probability. Come on, tell me about expressing wishes. Arman, can you tell me about the formal permission sentence? क्या मैं restroom जा सकता हूँ?
May I go to restroom?
May I go to restroom? Okay, Adesh, can you tell me about the polite request or permission sentence?
Could you tell me poem?
Come on. Karthik, can you express the wishes to use the may?
Yes, sir.
Come on, tell me in one sentence.
May you succeed.
May you succeed. Yes. Another sentence.
May you long live.
May you long live. Okay, Prithvi, can you tell me about the probability and likelihood to use the may?
It may rain today.
It may rain today. And another sentence about the probability.
It may follow rain.
It may fall
Rain.
rain. Yes. Another sentence.
Guest may come in the evening.
Gas may come in the evening. That's great one. It was the conducted rapid fire sessions by the Darshan Hirani with my students. Have a great day. We will meet in the next class.